Hello students, so we will be discussing about image formation in a plane mirror right now. So right here in a blue line we are given with a mirror. In front of the mirror we have object and we name it as O, and our task is to locate the image. Here the rules that we need to follow to locate the image is: first one, let's draw a line from the object to the mirror, but it should be perpendicular to the mirror. So we need to draw a straight line to the mirror perpendicularly, and then we need to extend it on the back side of the mirror. We need to extend it on the back side. Now the next step is to choose any random point on the mirror. Here I choose this point, I have named it at R. So from the R point I draw a line to the object. Now mark here the line OR from the object. The R point is joined with line OR. This OR line is making some angle theta with the mirror. Now similarly we need to draw another line from R but on the back side of the mirror, which will make angle theta with the mirror, but it should be on the back side, and we extend the second line also. So basically on the back side of the mirror we get two straight lines, one which is going perpendicularly like this and the other one which is coming from R like this. The intersection of both those lines will give us the image point, and we have given it as a name O dash. Now if we talk about some properties, then what do we find out here which we will need in future to solve the problems easily? See here, we get two triangles. One triangle is OPR, another triangle is O dash PR. If we compare these two triangles, we can see the angle ORP equals to theta, and in the other triangle, the triangle behind the mirror, in that triangle we can see the angle O dash RP is also equals to theta. For these two sides we can see the line PR is a common line. The line PR is common on both of them. Now the line OP is perpendicular to the mirror and it is extended on the back side of the mirror. So similarly O dash P is also perpendicular to the mirror. So this angle right here on both sides, they are 90 degrees. So by angle side angle congruence rule, we get that the triangle OPR and triangle O dash PR, they must be congruent triangles. These two are congruent triangles. So if these two triangles are congruent triangles, then what properties do we get here? The line OR and line O dash R, they must have same length. So line OR must be equals to the line O dash R. Similarly, the line OP must be equal to the line O dash P. This second conclusion gives us a simple theory that the distance of the object from the mirror, we name it as object distance, and the distance of image from the mirror, we name it as image distance. They must be same. The object distance and image distance about a plane mirror, they must be same. So this is the basic logic of locating an image or drawing an image behind the plane mirror if the object position is given. See you in the next video.